Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a short video to shout out a very new channel in the community. Now this particular stacking channel has been around for only about a month or so now, and it already has over 50 subscribers. So it's growing very, very quickly. And the channel that I wanted to talk about is called Tech the Coin Hunter.
Now, Tech the Coin Hunter has been a member of the stacking community for quite some time, but like I said, he has only recently started his own channel. Now, the reason I wanted to make a separate video to shout out his channel is because Phoenix Coins, another small creator here on YouTube, I believe Phoenix Coins is from the US, he has set a challenge for everyone that is in the community, in the stacking community, to shout out a YouTube channel that has less than 500 subscribers. Now on his video, and I will link his video in today's video description, he actually shouted out Nerd UK, and I believe Nerd UK has just under 300 subscribers. And again, a very new channel in the community, but Nerd is currently in the process of doing a whole month challenge of uploading videos to YouTube. I believe he is 5 videos in, I think, to that challenge. And like I said, he's planning to do a whole month of uploads. So definitely another channel to go and check out and support. And this is also a video to shout out those of you that are sitting on the fence, those of you that are thinking about making a YouTube channel, i.e. Rex. If you're watching today's video, it really is as simple as grabbing a piece of silver and setting up a camera and just start talking. Now, I remember when I first started my channel, it was a little bit daunting, not really knowing what to say. I was very new to stacking precious metals, and everyone showed me a really, really warm welcome in the community. And that is another reason why I wanted to do today's video as a very, very simple, basic setup, just to show those of you that are just thinking about starting a YouTube channel, how easy it is to film a video. And I'm going to put on the main light to show you today's setup. We literally have a bar of silver on a cork thing that I found in top of a candle. We have a bottle of whiskey. And we have my other phone as the light. That's the light source behind, shining through the whiskey, literally sitting on the floor. So it really is that easy to set up a backdrop. And if you're sitting on the fence, thinking about making a YouTube channel, please do get involved. Once you start filming videos, you'll see that it is really, really fun to do. So back to the main shout out channel of today's video, and that is Tech the Coin Hunter. I will leave the link to his channel in today's video description. Please do head over and drop him a sub if you're not already subscribed. And I want to pass this challenge on to everyone else in the community. Film a dedicated video to someone in the community that only has less than 500 subscribers. And let's try and grow the community all together. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support. Please comment in the comment section once you've subscribed to Tech the Coin Hunter. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.